Well, all right, now I'm over here at my other tree service just seeing what kind of wood they got. I haven't been here in a few weeks. It's been really busy, but I like to help these guys out, and they do have some more wood. They got a bunch of ash and some maple, and that looks like some good burning ash wood. That'll be some dry wood. I can just tell by the look of it, it was a dead standing ash tree there, and that's an interesting piece of wood right there. Probably an ash tree right there. It's just a really chunky one. Some of those ash trees, they get large bark on them now. I might buck some of this wood up today. I just wanted to make sure that there was nothing crazy over here. If there was a bunch of cherry and oak and what have you, I'd buck it up for sure. So let me think about it and see. I'm going to go through this wood and see if I want to get to work here. Now, they also brought in this trailer of oak here. That's some nice fresh oak. It smells really good. I'd like to have some of that, but they got it in the dump trailer here where they're probably going to get rid of it soon. But there's a bunch of good wood in this trailer. I'd like to have that oak for next year, but there's no shortage of oak going around. I got plenty of oak to buck up. Well, all right. Sorry for that little indecision there, everybody. I was trying to figure out what wood I wanted to buck up, and they're a little bit busy over there at that other tree service, so there's not a lot of room. The trucks are parked right up alongside the pile, and I can come back and get that ash at any time. So I'll come back another day and get that ash. It's some dry wood. It's ready to burn, so I do want to have it, but I don't know if today's a real good day. I got a lot more room to work over here, so I came back to this other pile of ash that we're at now here, and that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to kind of buck up that wood and get a little truckload of wood. This is 2025 wood, January wood probably, because the wood is going fast, and it's only the first week of October, so it's going real fast. I'm going to need some wood. If everybody starts calling, the phone ringing off the hook here, and when we get some cold weather and a frost, I'm going to go through a lot of wood. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of keep replenishing, keep making wood, and that'll be the way it goes. Now, I do want to show you guys, they brought more walnut in over here, and they are doing a good job of finding walnut. And I want to get on this wood and make it into firewood. So here's that walnut wood, and that's another nice big piece of walnut. There's two of them there on top of those nice big oak logs. So as soon as I get some time, I'm going to have to work on that wood. I don't know when I'll get to it, but it's getting to be a challenge. I mean, look what they're doing to it here. That's what I'm saying. If I don't get to this wood, they're going to start dumping all in front of this thing now, and I won't be able to ever get it out of there. So as soon as possible, I got to start working on all this oak and walnut wood. I'm not sure when it's going to happen either. I've got a lot of stuff to do. The next thing that I would like to do is they brought in this piece of wood here, and that's poplar. So I do want to help them get this poplar out of the middle of the road, and I don't know when I'll be able to do that. I might work on a little bit of it today on those smaller pieces, but it's right in the middle of the road. I mean, they can go around it, but I would like to help them try to move that. So I may get on that today a little bit and help them out there. That'd probably be the best thing to do. So stay tuned. The first thing I'm going to do is work on this ash wood and buck up a bunch of it and start filling up my truck, and then I'll probably come over here and cut up a few small pieces of that poplar wood. All right, now let's get making some palivovidrive. A little droga, a little lignorum. All right, now, boys and girls, I got that wood bucked up there, no problem. Some nice ash wood you can see behind me. So what I'm going to do now is just split this stuff. I got my splitter here, and y'all have seen the splitter run. I've said it a million times, but we've already got a nice little video here, and then in a minute we're going to go over and buck on that poplar wood. I think that's the next thing I need to do. I'd like to help them get that out of the road. So let me let my chainsaw cool down, and I'll get her re-gassed up and do some splitting, and we'll go over there and buck on the poplar wood. All right, now, everybody, thanks for watching. I've changed my mind. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to move that poplar out of the road for the tree service, but y'all are going to see that in an upcoming video, probably in the next video here. So a couple videos coming up here in the next week or so. So I got this ash wood bucked up, and we're going to do some splitting next. I'm going to get that split up now, and after that, I'm going to go move that wood. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this stuff, all this wood and everything. But I'm going to go handle that poplar wood, and you'll see that in the next video.